set of casters for my office chairs. They came from the Too Simple agency, and I tell you what, these are game changers. You know the old plastic ones, the ones that make a lot of noise, they're hard to push around, and they scratch your floor? Well, you can replace them with new casters that are exactly like rollerblade wheels. They're soft, they don't make noise, they roll easy, and they don't scratch your floor. Just imagine that the old way of rolling around and how easy it is to roll in, well, maybe not the right direction, but roll on these rollerblade style wheels. Really simple to change. You just pop the wheels off, one at a time, snap the new ones on, and before you know it, you will be rolling around just as smooth as, well, as they say, a baby something. You want a smooth action that just rolls like this, and quiet. Well, this is the caster to get. It comes from Too Simple agency. Buy it, it'll be at your house soon, and you'll be able to roll like this really soon.